Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick guide on how to open a Swedbank account. Whether you are moving to a new country or just looking for a reliable bank, Swedbank has some great options. Let's get started. First of all, decide which account type suits you best. Swedbank offers options like personal checking accounts, savings accounts, and business accounts. Check Swedbank's website to review the account features and find the best fit for your needs. Next, gather the necessary documents. You will typically need your ID, proof of address, and if you are new to the country, a residency permit. These documents help Swedbank verify your identity and make opening an account easy. Once you have got your documents ready, it's time to apply. You can either apply online through the Swedbank website or visit a local branch for a more personalized experience. Many people find applying online super convenient. It's fast and you can complete it from anywhere. After your application is reviewed and approved, Swedbank will help you verify and activate your account. You will receive your debit card, and once activated, you are all set to start banking. And that's it for simple steps to open a Swedbank account. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy banking with Swedbank.